Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to discuss the latest custom build. This is actually for a photographer. So what they wanted was a fast i7 processor, so we went with the 6-core i7-8700. That's running with 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and we've got a GTX 1050 video card. So they didn't need a high-end video card, but they wanted a good enough video card to do photo editing. We're running on a 500GB SSD, and we've got two 4TB drives running on a RAID 1. So that means the drives are mirrored. If anything goes wrong with one of the drives, we're not going to lose any data. We're also putting in a third backup that will back everything up to a external 4TB drive, as well as doing an offsite backup, because obviously if you're a photographer you never want to lose your data. So if you want to look at a high-end custom build, whether it's for photography, AutoCAD or for gaming, come on into Impress Computers and have a chat to the guys. 281-647-9977.